In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a distance meter using this type of display and the ultrasonic sensor. So let's get started. For this, we need ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. It has 4 pins: VCC, ground, trigger and echo. VCC should be connected to the plus 5 volt, ground is connected to the ground. Then we need Arduino. I'll connect trigger pin to D2 and echo pin to the D3. 5 volt pin of Arduino should be connected to the plus 5 volt and ground should be connected to the ground. And this is the Nokia 5110 LCD display. It has 8 pins. So this is the Nokia 5110 display, and 5 pins of the display will be connected to the Arduino. The reset pin, clock enable, data in command, data in and clock pin. This reset pin will be connected to D12. This one will be D11, D10, D9 and D8. Ground pin of the display will be connected to the ground. The VCC pin of the display will be connected to plus 5 volt, and the BL pin, this is the LED of the display, and with this we have to connect one resistor. Here I will connect 220 ohms and then I will connect this to the plus 5 volt. So this is all about the connection. Now we'll see this on the breadboard. Here it is display, Arduino Nano and the ultrasonic sensor. 5 volt pin of Arduino should be connected to the positive rail. VCC pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to positive rail, and this VCC should be connected to positive rail. Ground pin of ultrasonic sensor should be connected to ground or negative rail. Here this one should be connected to negative rail, this ground, and also this one. BL pin of LCD should be connected to positive rail through 220 ohms resistor. Clock pin is connected to D8. Data in, this should be connected to D9. Data or command is connected to D10. Clock enable is connected to D11, and this reset is connected to D12. Trigger is connected to D2 and echo is connected to D3. Both the negative and positive rails are connected together. So this is all about the breadboard connection. Now we'll see the output. For this display, we need to install a library. Go to Sketch, include library, manage libraries. Now search for Nokia 5110. This one. As I already installed this library, so it is showing installed. Now you have to install this library. Here it is, Nokia 5110. Now we'll see the full program. Now to download this program, you need to see description below. Now we have to upload this program to the Arduino. Program is uploaded. Now I'll connect the 5 volt power supply. Here is the negative and the positive. Below 100 millimeter it will show in millimeter, and then it will show in centimeter, and up to 100 centimeter it will show in meter. So this is how this will work. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.